It is important to increase your value to your boss so that you will be first in line for a promotion and last in line for a termination. To become your boss's most valued employee, all you have to do is ask, I want more responsibility. What can I do? And then, once they give you something, do it immediately and ask for more. In the beginning, your boss won't have much for you, but over time, as you do these extra tasks quickly and effectively, they will trust you with more and more. The key is that your work needs to be effective. You will not be trusted with more if you mess up the previous tasks. Take the time you need to do it right, but do it as soon as possible. Over time, your boss will trust you with more and more until you are irreplaceable. Then you will be in a position to ask for more money, or in many cases, your raises will automatically increase because your boss does not want to lose you. Taking the initiative like this is exactly what will separate you from the rest of your coworkers. After all, most people have the bad habit of looking to decrease their workload and responsibility. You, however, will be the opposite. You seek to add more value to your boss, and the company should reward you for your contribution. Thank you for watching this. This is Chase E from Bite Size Success, and I'll see you in the next video.